that little trash bag there. Don't judge. Okay, so here's the gaskets I'm using. Pro 1256. Then I got some Edelbrock gasket cinch, or whatever you want to call it, to help glue the gasket to the head. So that way whenever you put the intake on, nothing moves. Everything stays how it's supposed to be. So yeah, as you can see, got everything out, got all the stuff disconnected. So now I just got to glue this gasket here, set that up, and then for the China walls I'm going to use RTV. So currently I'm waiting on these guys here to finish soaking so I can just wipe them off. Got them sitting in brake clean, make it a little easier for me. Waiting on those two gaskets to dry to the block, or to the heads I guess. And after that, we can stick this back on. And I did get me some Permatex thread sealant to stop oil and coolant and stuff from coming up these bolts here. And, you know, putting stuff in here that you don't want to see. Only thing I want to see right here is a bolt. And that's all. But yeah, excited, ready to get this thing back together. It's been too long. So, go ahead and get everything RTV'd, and then I can slap this on there and go ahead and start finger tightening all the bolts. So currently waiting for the RTV to dry. Then after that we can go ahead and set the intake on and go from there. Well, it's finally on. Got everything back on. Just going through reconnecting all the carburetor attachments. Just finished dropping the distributor in. I'm not going to tighten it down until I make sure the timing's perfect, but I did mark it beforehand, so it'll be a little easier to take out and put back in. So just got to finish mounting the alternator bracket back up. Then I got to put the return springs on, and other than that, it's honestly almost there. So yeah, just stay tuned for part 3, and that's going to be where we start it up and time it and see how it sounds. Make sure there's no leaks. So definitely make sure to stay tuned, and I'll see you all in the next one.